Bottom line here, the president telling Americans that we all have to be flexible, but he underscored that sticking with your investment strategy rather than panic selling usually pays off. And right now it's important to brace for more volatility before things stabilize, Marky.
Okay, will do. Mills, thank you. Joining me now is Managing Director at Nestpoint, John Thomas. John, thanks so much for your time this morning. So the Commerce Department data shows that the economy shrank in the first quarter. To Mills's point there, a lot of people are watching their 401k shrink along with it. We don't always, we always hear don't panic, I should say. But when do we push the panic button, and how should we brace for that moment?
Well, sure. Well, there's a couple things here. First of all, President Trump is attempting to do something here that's never been done, I think, in American history, which is rebalance the global order of trade. And so there is going to be some short-term pain as a result of that. But, Marky, I can tell you just at our company Nestpoint that advises international corporations and conglomerates on their manufacturing and where they make it and supply chain sides, we're already seeing dozens of our multi-billion-dollar conglomerates re-onshoring production and manufacturing to the United States. And Marky, I can tell you, there is no scenario in which these companies would consider or ever re-onshore production in the U.S. if it weren't for President Trump's bold tariff stance. But look, Americans are going to love that manufacturing side, but it is going to take some time to build those facilities. And so there might be a little bit of short-term pain. I would urge Americans to...
we keep hearing that. It's going to take time. Patience is going to win the game. And I think people get that. But what I haven't heard is what that timeline looks like. Do you have any better grasp on that than we're hearing from anybody else?
Yeah, I do. Although some manufacturing facilities, particularly with some of our clients, they're buying existing manufacturing facilities. So they're going to get spooled up within a quarter. The others that take multiple years, while we may not see the product they manufacture for a couple of years, we are going to feel the billions of dollars of investment in American construction jobs, on re-onshoring dollars here. So we're going to feel that impact right away. But it's going to be in phases. But I think, look, President Trump is taking a long-term approach here. He's asking for patience from the American people. And look, if not now, then when? If you agree with President Trump that we've got to revitalize Americans' manufacturing base, this is as good a time as any, I suppose.
The U.S. economy, we know, added 228,000 jobs in March. We know the new jobs report will drop tomorrow morning. What are you expecting those numbers to look like from April?
Look, I'm expecting them to probably hold steady again. We're seeing, especially from our clients, and of course President Trump's bragging about it too, unprecedented economic investments, in part to avoid tariffs, but because of some other levers. President Trump is forcing deregulation, which is causing more energy investment. So I think hoping for steady job numbers. I think in the year's time, we're going to see a job increase because of all this investment.
Okay, we'll see what tomorrow has in store. John Thomas, thank you so much for your time this morning. Appreciate it, sir.
Thanks, Marky.
We'll check back in. And then the president scoring a win on his immigration agenda. House lawmakers advancing